Hello, fellow traders. Nutty Bar Trading coming to you. It is Wednesday, March the 27th, and this is the recap for my trading today. Let's dive right in. So, first, we'll go over the good news first, and then we'll go over the bad news. So, first, the good news. Had a great day of trading. Actually, one of my better days of trading on stream, I feel like. We had this huge move lower, kind of stair stepping down. After this big move, the volatility was really high, so I switched to micros on this account. I was trading 5 micros, and yeah, basically just scalping our way through, and basically, yeah, $400 in profit. Very happy with that. This is an account that we've already taken a payout from, so it's great to see this, get a little bit more drawdown in this account now. Hopefully we can keep it going. We are struggling. We are struggling to keep these accounts that we've already taken a payout from. A little bit more on that in just a second. But yeah, very happy with my trading on that account. Now let's move to the not so good news. Here we go. So here, just this morning, I made the decision. Obviously, it was a bad decision in hindsight. I made the decision that, hey, I'm going to copy trade 3 of my accounts that I've already taken a payout from that don't have much drawdown. I thought, I was looking for basically I was trying to kind of bring these accounts. I was looking for like a $400 profit day on these 3 accounts. Then I would have over $1,000 in drawdown left and kind of give them a boost and would feel a little bit more confident about getting these to a payout again. That's kind of how I justified it. Well, obviously with copy trading, there comes risk as well. And it was kind of frustrating. Let me just go back and show. But basically it was right here, like on this. So we had a huge move lower. It was like right here where I entered, of course, right at the top. It was a bad entry in hindsight, right up against this EMA. But I actually was 20 ticks in profit. And I got it in my head this morning that I'm going to try for a bigger profit target on these accounts just to kind of try to bring them back a little bit faster. Again, impatient. I'm being impatient, I feel like. Or I feel like I'm allowing the 10 traded days and the payout window. I feel like I'm allowing that to make decisions for me, where in the past I didn't even pay attention to it. I just traded it slow and steady, and I didn't even pay attention to when the payout windows were. I didn't even pay attention to how many days my accounts were traded. So definitely feel like I'm making some decisions that are kind of rushing me a little bit, and just it's not necessary. I don't have to rush this process. So feel like I need a little bit, I might need to reevaluate. I actually today contemplated at one point that maybe I need to take a break. Maybe I need to just step away from trading for a couple days. Sometimes I do that, and that kind of helps get my mind back on track. But I need to make sure that my decisions that I'm making are not based off of me trying to rush to a payout and that kind of thing. So anyway, we live and learn. But yeah, I had 20 ticks of profit in those 3 accounts. I should have just taken the profit and been happy and moved to the next trade. I didn't. And of course, this thing just completely tanks. And that was it. That was it for those 3 accounts. It did not take long, I promise you. It was quick and painless. But yeah, let me switch. So these 3 accounts here, we have now lost those accounts. Again, these are accounts that we've already taken a payout from. So I don't get super, it's disappointing, but I knew when I took out the full 2,000 and I left myself with only $500 of drawdown, I knew it was going to be difficult to get those accounts back to payout. I really was hoping that I could do it We still have 3 accounts left. The 3 accounts that we have left are these top 3 accounts. $1,200 is the highest balance, and then we have 2 that are over 1,000. So I do like where those accounts are at, and hopefully we can continue to grow these. And hey, if we get 3 accounts back to a payout, I guess that's so much. I mean, I'm not going to complain. But yeah, the rest of my day, actually had a decent day. Most of these trades were taken right when I was taking my other trades. These 2 accounts here. So this account here, that's red, and this account here that's red. We're actually below the 50,000 threshold. Those 2, those were my last 2 accounts that I traded, and I was actually, I think it was this account here. I'd have to go back and look, but I was actually over $600 in drawdown at one point on that account. I got it back up to 200, and then I called it quits, and I started chasing. I just started doing some trading that I hate when I trade that way, so I shut down my trading for the day again, which was really helpful. Really glad I did that, but I'm definitely, I don't know. If I would grade myself right now on how I'm trading, I would give myself like a 6 out of 10. Definitely not trading my best. I've traded worse, but definitely room for improvement. I feel like the biggest hindrance right now for me is just I need to just make sure that I don't rush things and don't pay attention to the payout windows and the days traded. Just trade, look for good trades, and the rest will come, and to not rush the process. So in the grand scheme of things, it was still an okay day. Kind of felt like it was a bad day. But we did have a really good green day on most of the other accounts. We traded every account except for 2, so that's great. And we have these new PA accounts. We now have at $800 balance, so at least whatever 5 accounts are at 800, which is great. So, excuse me. So hopefully we can keep it going. But yeah, obviously, if I thought that getting another payout, getting another $30,000 payout in a month, is going to be easy, I think I've accepted the fact that no, it's not going to be easy. It's going to be hard work. And the thing I have to remember is just the less mistakes I make, the better it's going to be. So, man, my throat is still a mess. Sorry, I apologize. But anyway, I'm going to leave it at that. And we'll be back tomorrow. And hopefully we can just build this account that we're currently trading. I'd love to just be able to slowly build that account and avoid these red days. Feels like I have a green day, then a red day. We take one step back or one step forward and another step back. So we will give it a whirl. We'll be back tomorrow. Appreciate everyone. Thanks for your support, and God bless.